Alright, today I am going to be going over another way to think about how to multiply by decimals by powers of 10. Um, so, I guess we can get right to it. Yesterday we went over how you can think of it as all of the numbers shifting one place over, or however many zeros there are, that many places over, right? So uh, this one would become, this one would become 4 and 53 hundredths, right? Because every one of these numbers, just imagined, they all went one place over. Now, another way to think about it is think about how many zeros are here. And since there's 1 0 here, we can think about it as in moving one digit over to the other side of the of the decimal. So in this case, we would move one digit, right, to the other side of the decimal. So that would be 5 and 53 hundredths, because we would move this 4 over. Now for 100, we would move 2 zeros over, right? So there's 2 zeros, so we would move 2 zeros from this side of the decimal, the right side of the decimal, once it gets under the ones, right? So this would be the ones column, this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So now we have the tenths and the hundredths, and this is going to become 45 and 3 tenths, because we're moving 2 of the digits over. Now for times 1,000, we are going to be moving 3 digits over, so that would just be 453. We don't even need to write a decimal because it's a whole number. It just becomes 453 because there are 3 zeros here, so that means we move 3 digits to the other side. Okay, for this one, 0.4 or 4 tenths times 1,000. Now we need to move 3 digits to the other side, but there's only 1 digit here, so what do we have to do? We have to add zeros until there are 3 digits. So what we have to do here is we have to move 3 digits, right? So 3 digits would be 400, and if we move it to the other side of the decimal, that just becomes 400. So that is another way of looking at these zeros and looking at multiplying by decimals by multiples of 10. So hopefully that one is helpful. Tomorrow I'm going to go over probably my favorite way of doing it, so stay tuned for that.